This is Anjay. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, students and girls, today we are viewing the use of conjunctions in spoken phrases. Conjunctions का इस्तेमाल आज का हम बोलचाल के जुमलों में देखते हैं. कंजंक्शन जो हैं दे हैव एन डेफिनेशन. कंजंक्शन की एक तारीफ है और उर्दू में इन्हें हरूफ अत्फ कहा जाता है. कंजंक्शन जो हैं ये वर्ड्स और फ्रेजेस और सेंटेंसेस को आपस में मिलाते हैं, जोड़ते हैं. सो वी कैन डिफाइन कंजंक्शंस एज द वर्ड्स दैट लिंक or connect words and phrases are called conjunctions. The words that connect or link words or phrases are called conjunctions. Conjunctions play a very important role in constructing phrases, sentences. In constructing phrases and sentences, conjunctions play a very important role, and they are of various kinds. Let's visit these conjunctions and make sentences with these conjunctions and revise them and read them out and try to memorize them and consume them well to understand the full meanings of a sentence. Let's look up here on the whiteboard. Here you see conjunction. Harf-e-ataf. A word that links words and sentences is called conjunction. A word that links words and sentences is called conjunction. This is the definition of a conjunction. Here you see that a word that links words and sentences is called conjunction. Let's set the examples. एक लफ्ज जो अल्फाज और जुमलों को मिलाए हर्फ अतफ है. एंड इन उर्दू we may say that एक लफ्ज जो अल्फाज और जुमलों को मिलाए हर्फ अतफ कहलाता है. Here you see the example. Sam and Chu are friends. Sam and Chu are friends. Sam और Chu दोस्त हैं. Sam and Chu are friends. Sam और Chu दोस्त हैं. यहाँ पे and जो है, and is an conjunction because it links, connects Sam and the rest of the phrase Chu. Sam and Chu are friends. So and links the subject noun Sam and Chu are friends. So a semi-statement is linked with Sam by and. So and is a conjunction. In this statement, Sam and Chu are friends. Sam and Chu are friends. So इसमें viewers, my students, and is a conjunction. Let's set another example. आइए. He was tired. He was tired, but he went to work. He was tired, but he went to work. So here see the first statement. First phrase is he was tired. वो थक चुका था. He went to work. वो काम पर चला गया. इन दोनों स्टेटमेंट्स को जो है लिंक कर रहा है, कनेक्ट कर रहा है but is a conjunction because it links two sentences, two statements. It links two phrases. First statement of phrase is he was tired, but, and second statement is he went to work. वो थका हुआ था but लेकिन वो काम पर चला गया. वो थक चुका था, he was tired, लेकिन काम पर चला गया. He was tired but he went to work. He was tired but he went to work. Here you see that both of these sentences are connected, are linked with but. But is a conjunction, and we have seen this phrase, both these phrases, both are connected with, are linked with bet. Now read out the third phrase. You know that I teach very well. You know that I teach very well. You see, you know, आप जानते हो, I teach very well. मैं बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाता हूँ. And both these phrases are connected or linked with that. That is a conjunction. You know that I teach very well. आप जानते हो कि मैं बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाता हूँ. You know that I teach very well. From this side you can read out its translation. आप जानते हो कि मैं बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाता हूँ. You know that I teach very well. You know that I teach very well. आप जानते हो कि मैं बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाता हूँ. In both of these statements, that is a conjunction that links these both statements. Let's read out the next one. I'll return. I'll return. मैं वापस लौटूंगा. मैं वापस चला आऊंगा. Before you finish the work. इससे पहले कि आप काम खत्म करते हो, मैं वापस लौट आऊंगा. I will return before you finish the work. आपके काम खत्म करने से पहले मैं वापस लौट आऊंगा. So both these are statements are connected, are linked with before. He will return. वो वापस लौट आएगा. We may say that he will return. वो वापस पलट आएगा. वो वापस लौट आएगा. Before you finish the work. आपके काम करने से पहले वो वापस लौट आएगा. I will return. मैं जरूर वापस लौटूंगा. This is a condition. I will return. मैं जरूर वापस लौटूंगा. Before you finish the work. आपके काम करने से पहले. So this is a conditional phrase. I will return. मैं जरूर वापस लौटूंगा. Before is a conjunction that links the first statement, and the second is you finish the work. You finish the work. आपके काम करने से पहले मैं जरूर वापस लौटूंगा. So these are very interested phrases, and conjunctions are used in these phrases. So conjunctions play a very patent role in linking the words, phrases and sentences. We may say that, you see, Sam and two are friends. Sam and two are close friends. Sam and two are close friends. Now, we see the next phrase. He was tired, but he went to work. He was tired, but he went to work. He was tired, but he went to work. In this statement, but is a conjunction that links these statements. Now see the next statements. You know that I teach very well. You know that I teach very well. You know that I teach very well. So in these statements you see that connects both of these statements. So that is a conjunction. Let's see the last one. He will return before you finish work. He will return before you finish the work. He will return before you finish the work. Here you see that he will return. वो वापस लौटेगा. Before is a conjunction. इससे पहले you finish the work. इससे पहले तुम काम खत्म कर लो. वो वापस लौटेगा. वो वापस पलट आएगा. So these are beautiful phrases connected, you may say that linked with conjunctions. So please memorize these phrases and revise them as much as you can. Phrases are important. These phrases are used in speaking, and we can use these conjunctions many ways to construct more phrases.